Today we embark on a journey to discover the hidden world of the Haggis animals, exploring the unique and diverse species that inhabit the lowlands and borders of Scotland. From the grassy plains to the deep forests, each species of haggis has adapted to its environment in remarkable ways. Scotland, a land of rugged mountains, sparkling lochs and ancient forests. It is a place where myth and reality intertwine. In this magical land, we find the legend of the Haggis animal, a creature as unique as its homeland. Join us as we delve into the lives of the lowland haggis, the elusive border haggis, the semi-aquatic riverbank haggis, the arboreal woodland haggis, and the nomadic moorland haggis. Through their stories, we will uncover the intricate balance of nature that allows these mythical creatures to thrive. Our journey begins in the lush lowlands, where the robust lowland haggis species makes its home amidst the heather and grasses. The lowland haggis, Haggis vulgaris Lowlandia, are slightly larger than its highland counterpart, with a more robust build and shorter fur. Their coat is a mix of earthy browns and greens, allowing them to blend seamlessly with the grassy plains and forests of the lowlands. Found primarily in the fertile lowlands of Scotland, particularly in areas with abundant heather and grasslands, the lowland haggis is primarily herbivorous, feeding on a diet of wild grasses, heather and clover. They are known to occasionally indulge in berries and roots. The lowland haggis is known for their social behavior, often seen in small family groups. They are adept burrowers, creating intricate tunnel systems to avoid predators and extreme weather. In the rugged border regions between Scotland and England, we find the elusive border haggis species. The border haggis, Haggis borderensis, is characterized by their sleek, round bodies and long hair, which allow them to navigate the borders terrain and dense forests of the Scottish borders. Their fur is a dark mottled grey, providing excellent camouflage among the rocks and shadows. Inhabiting rocky outcrops, dense forests and moorlands, the border haggis is omnivorous, with a diet consisting of roots, tubers, insects and small invertebrates. They are particularly fond of the wild tartan mushrooms that grow in the area. Solitary and elusive, the border haggis is rarely seen by humans. They are excellent climbers and often take refuge in trees or rocky crevices, known for their eerie, echoing calls at dusk. Along the riverbanks and lochs of the lowlands, the semi-aquatic riverbank haggis makes its home. Haggis species, Haggis rivularis, has a distinctive semi-aquatic lifestyle. They have webbed feet and a streamlined body, perfect for swimming. Living along the riverbanks and lochs, particularly in areas with abundant aquatic vegetation, the riverbank haggis feeds on aquatic plants, small fish and amphibians. They're also known to forage for nuts and berries along the riverbanks. Highly territorial, the riverbank haggis builds complex burrows with underwater entrances. They are skilled swimmers and often escape predators by diving into the water. Deep within the dense woodlands, the arboreal woodland haggis thrives. The woodland haggis species, Haggis sylvaticus, the most arboreal of all haggis species, with a strong round body, grasping claws and a long bushy tail for balance. Its fur is a rich russet brown, providing excellent camouflage in the forest. Preferring the dense woodlands and forests of the lowlands, particularly areas with a thick understory of ferns and shrubs, the woodland haggis is omnivorous with a diet that includes nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, and occasionally sought bread. Nocturnal and arboreal, the woodland haggis spends most of its time in the trees. They are known for their curious and playful nature, often seen swinging from branches or exploring their surroundings. As we conclude this journey through the enchanting world of wild Scottish haggis animals, we are reminded of the delicate balance between nature and human activity. The mythical haggis, in all its diverse forms, symbolises the wonder and mystery of Scotland's wild places. It is our responsibility to protect these habitats and ensure that the haggis and all creatures that share our world continue to thrive.